So in this tutorial, we are going to walk you through on how to unrestrict an account for the second time. When you have submitted your ID, your verification, you have passed through all the verification for the first time, then they unrestricted your account and you don't know what happened, or you have done something, then they restrict it again. That is the second time. So when you are using the app to verify, they say you should verify again, but when you go there to verify, they will tell you that you have already submitted your details, your ID, so you should try again later. You see that message always anytime you click on verify your personal, you see that message. So what to do is just a simple thing. We need to follow what is gonna be presented in this video. So first of all, we need to create our new email address. Second, we have to delete the LinkedIn application from our mobile device. Third, we have to get a well-recognized ID, a valid one for your country, your own, your personal. Then we are using Google Chrome to do this verification. You can also use any different browser, but I prefer Google Chrome. And fourth on the list is you have to get a good device with good network so that you can take in the files that have been asked from you. And fourth, you have to be patient enough, because it's going to take 24 hours to 72 hours before they'll get back to your account and unrestrict it. So without wasting my time, let's get into the video and let's start with creating our new email account. Okay, let's create our new email address. So you know how to create a new email address, just follow the same process. Just go to your Gmail. If you go to Gmail, you click on your profile. Go to Gmail, click on your profile. So when you click on your profile, scroll down, you see add another account. Just click on the add another account and follow the due process. It will be done for you. So without wasting my time, let's go into the second step. So the second step is we are uninstalling the LinkedIn app from our device. So let's just go to Play Store, then uninstall it. You go to Play Store and uninstall it, or if it's on your phone, but I have uninstalled my LinkedIn app, so you can see it. So this is it. That means I don't have LinkedIn app on my account, so I have to reinstall. So this is what I want you to do. So don't install, let it be this way. So now we are going to get our valid ID. Get your valid ID, then we will launch the Chrome browser. So when you are launching your Chrome browser, you launch it and you type in, you search linkedin.com sign up, linkedin.com sign up. Okay, so you just click on the first link that showed up. So here you just go to sign in. Okay, here click on forget password. Okay, in this place just put your LinkedIn email, not your new email that you created. Okay, after that you click on next. Okay, this section we are taking the can't access this email, so you click on can't access this email. So in this section again, we have to provide our new email that we created, the email address that we created, and we re-enter the email address for the second dialog. Then you put in your LinkedIn public profile URL, the link that you will share with your friends and they can connect to you. You put it there. The search is for if you don't know your LinkedIn this, but because your account is being restricted, you can never find your account in LinkedIn again, because they have restricted it from anybody. Nobody can accept. If you go, they will say page doesn't exist. That's how they will tell you. If you research your name, you never get to. So the only thing you need to do is just get it. You have been sharing with your friends, so get it from your friends. And put it there. It's very important to do that. So when you are done, just click on continue. So in this section, we have to select our identification document. So this one is where you now verify your identity. that it's really true you are human, you are not a bot, or you are not anything else but a human. So you select your, or they say you select an identity document, but you have to choose the country that issued your ID to you. So I'm from Ghana. Make sure you choose your country. Never choose any country, please. Okay, after selecting your country, just click on continue. So this is where the whole process starts. So verify your identity, continue. So first of all, you have to verify your identity for you. So on this link in here, that one is second one is you may be asked to take a selfie, live selfie. That one is must. You have to take a live selfie. They will ask you, they will give you the camera, then it will take your face. They will tell you to turn left, turn right first, then they will take turn left, and they will take, and after that they will verify it. After that they will send it to another page where you will need to verify with your government issued ID, so front and back, and you have to put your name, make it tally, let it tally with your government issued ID name. So let it tally with this and your location where you are. Okay, when you have all this and you understand, just click on verify with personal. So in this page you have to just check the true box, just check them, just click on the true box and check them so that you can accept their terms and conditions and also their policies. Okay, this is how I want you to do it. Just check the buttons and click on accept and continue. Okay, accept and continue. Okay, so when you click on accept and continue, this is where it will land you to. This is where it will land you to. This is where it will land you to. And you can see that they said let's make sure you are you. That's verifying your face identity first. Okay, so just click on get started. Click on get started. So because it's a tutorial video, I'll just stop here. But when you follow the due process as mentioned, you go there. After this, the next step is for you to verify with your ID card, your government ID. So that one they will ask you first to take a picture of it, the front, and the second they will ask you to take a picture of it back. Please make sure that it's very clear, positioning the camera very well. Take your time and let it scan and capture it very well, and you do that to the back too. And after that they will ask you to enter the name. Please enter a name that is tallying with your government issued ID. Please enter a name that is tallying with the Ghana, like your government issued ID. Please, it's very important. It's very important. Then make sure you give a location, give a good location where you are from. Give a good location where you're from. If you are Ghanaian, and if you are this and that, you do the same thing. Don't fake your location, please. If you fake your location, they will never unrestrict your account for you. Please, they will ignore the account. They will ignore the account because it will look like you want to play smart on them. Meanwhile, they are fully set. They are fully set. Let me tell you, they are fully set. Or they are loaded. They are loaded. Meaning there's nothing that you try to fake that they will never know, because their system is very strong enough to detect such things. So when you submit your verification, this is what will be shown on your screen. So when you are done, then you submit your verification. They will tell you that they have received, you are successfully sent your verification details, and they will get back to you within 24 to 72 hours, and they will send you an email like what you are seeing on the screen, blah 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 blah, and their support team will get back to you and blah 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 blah, and all this stuff. So that is how it's being done. We'll send you, so within the 24 hours after, or when 25 hours reach, they will tell you, or they will send you a mail to your new email and your old email. So the mail will be this way as seen on the screen. You should reset your password. That is it. You set your password. That's on the old email address, and the new email address, they will tell you that you should click to verify and see whether it's really you that is doing it or not. So to just click on it, that's all. So when you click on it, they will tell you should wait for a number of minutes, or just wait on the screen. You skip the screen on, or you just wait on that screen before they will just activate your account for you, and boom, you'll get back your account within a twinkle of an eye. So if this video is helpful to you, please kindly subscribe, like, comment, and share this video to your fellow friends for them to also unrestrict their account for the second time or even for the first time. This is NJ Tech, and this is your boy. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you in my next video. Turn on the notification bell icon so that you get my new uploaded videos to enrich yourself in the tech world. Thank you. Bye bye. See you next time.